In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the official Monster Hunter Wilds Discord server. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But yeah, in order to go ahead and join the Monster Hunter Wilds Discord server, the first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually exit out of Discord just like so and open up a web browser of your choice. After opening up a web browser of your choice, and keep in mind this can be done on your PC, it can be done on a laptop, it can be done on mobile devices, it doesn't necessarily matter. You just need to go ahead and tap on the little search bar up at the very top and type in Monster Hunter and then Wilds and then type in Discord at the very end and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and select this top option right here because this top option is going to be the official invite for the Monster Hunter Wilds game, just like so. So go ahead and click on it. It's going to redirect you to a page and then immediately open up Discord where you'll be able to go ahead and accept the invite. Now, once you accept the invite, you are going to have to go through and accept a bunch of different rules. After reading through those rules, obviously you'll be prompted to accept. When you accept, you will be able to see the rest of the channels and all the chats as well as chat for yourself. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. So we would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.